By the title, you already know the road to bags exit is coming up. It's time to get this airlift system unboxed, and without a doubt, I'm getting the air tank powder coated, so I need to get that process started now. Y'all already know how I feel about them bags. They be having me with hearts in my eyes, like now. I can't even see because the big hearts in my eyes. That's better. Hey there, YouTube. S197 Danny checking in. On today's vlog, I'll be finally unboxing that airlift performance system that's been in my garage in the corner for like the last 2 months. I've been staring at this. Time to get it installed and to start the process now. I figured it wasn't time for the airlift system yet because I was still in the engine bay and I didn't really want to get too far ahead of myself. But now the engine bay is complete for now. Completing the engine bay video card I'll put right here. And plus my HOA sending me threatening letters talking about ghosts ain't got wheels and not being drivable. I mean, they just don't see my vision. So with them and with the engine bay being done for now, I feel that it's time appropriate to bring them out. If you don't mind, I would like to change the scenery. Want to get closer to my fave. Okay, so like I was saying, my vision for my airlift performance system is to have a full custom trunk setup. Fully custom, hard lines, powder coated tank, lights, plexiglass, fabric or wrap. Don't know yet, haven't made up my mind, but fully custom for sure. Along with that, my interior middle console will also match the trunk and have a housing for the air management controller. On the outside, the bags themselves will have all new parts attached to them to complete a full suspension upgrade, along with new brakes and rotors. Let's get these bad boys unboxed and I'll go over which system I purchased and why. I chose the Airlift Performance 3/8 system for Ghost for the simple fact of auto adapt. What is auto adapting, you ask? With auto adapt, the 3/8 system will automatically adjust the bag's pressure to keep the car level in unlevel situations. I mean, the less I gotta do, the better. This is the air tank that I'll be getting powder coated, and I have to get it to the powder coater ASAP because I don't want to be waiting on it to install the system. No, I don't. Go right to sleep. Go right to sleep. Go right to sleep. It's okay. It's okay. This is the air compressor. I'll be ordering another one to run duals so it fills up the tank faster with air. Air compressors are loud, like all the other air compressors that I ever seen, so having two would just make the running time shorter. Fills up the tank faster. And also, I'll be ordering a water trap for my system to do just that. Trap the water that the humidity creates in the airlines before it enters the tank. Speaking of airlines, I'll be using hard lines, so I'll be ordering that and the bend tool too. This is the manifold system. I didn't think it would be this heavy. Pretty heavy. AirLift Performance Mode Control. These are the height sensors. Airlines. These are the 3/8 airlines. Looks like wiring in there too. The drain hose. These are the front airbags. Airline. Other than the add-ons I'm ordering, this is everything I need to complete the airlift system, minus the custom design that I'll be doing soon. So if you can't tell, I'm excited, and you should be too. For me, this is us thing. Come on, bring it in, come on, all the time, bring it in. So that's it for today's vlog. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Peace.